Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can log into Cash App without email or without phone number. And we will also see if you don't have phone or either email, then what you can do. So if you have the phone number, then just type in the phone number. But if you have the email, then just click on use email and type in your email. But if you don't have any of them, then just click on this question mark on top, and then you will see this option of I need help logging in, and after that just click on cash tag. And I hope you remember your cash tag, so just type in your cash tag and click continue, so the Cash App can find you and your old account and let you in. But if you are a completely new person and trying to make a new account without using your personal email, then you can use a different email from Google. So just go on Google Chrome and search for temp mail, and here just click on the first website that you see on temp mail. Then a temporary email will be provided to you on this website. Just copy this email and use it over on Cash App. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.